Hello friends, here is a glimpse of our new textured tote bag. Let us make and enjoy the same. Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J empowered by Magic Reels. This day we are going to see how we are going to join the strap to the bag that we have done. This method can be adopted to any type of strap joining to any bag. We are going to do the on the go method of joining the strap to both the sides. This is what we completed in the part 2 of the back cal. So this is the right side facing outside. Similarly, this is the right side for the back. Now I have placed stitch markers in the bottom where we had done the textured stitch, just beside that. Okay, so this is where, so this is the width of the, this is going to be the width of the strap that we are going to make. When we place these two together, the bag is exactly of same height on both the sides, front and the back. So let's begin without any delay. You can make a slip knot and slip stitch to the join to the back, slip stitch and join to the back on the stitch marker on the back side. Okay, here. Else just insert your hook, pull out the loop, pick up and pull out and make a slip stitch. Both ways are fine. This gives a neater finish. Now remove this stitch marker and slip stitch to the next stitch on the right side. So this is going to be the height of your half double crochet you're going to make. Now place a half double crochet in the very first stitch here. Sorry. Now this is a double crochet, so we need to make 2 stitches. One maybe inside this, another into the stitch. So one half double crochet into the next space. See that these half double crochets are placed evenly. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and one more, 10. Now slip stitch to the space where we have kept the stitch marker. And slip stitch to the next space here. Because this is a double crochet, we'll have 2 stitches. And anyway, we need, like we do the ribbing for our projects, the same method we are following here. Only thing, we are placing the strap stitches here. HTCs. Now turn your work. Now place the half double crochet each in each of the 10 stitches that we did. Yeah, Have we slip stitched to the next? We need to. Let me see. Let us check up. Nine stitches are here. So slip stitch to this place. Next one. Let us have 9 stitches and slip stitch to the next stitch. This is very important. And now place 9 half double crochets on 9 stitches. 8 over the 9th one here. Now slip stitch to the side of the back part. Slip stitch into the next stitch somewhere in the middle of the double crochet or the second chain of the chain 3 if you have done chain 3. Now turn your work. Take this yarn behind, yarn over, one double crochet each on each of the 9 doubles. Now slip stitch into the next stitch here, that is in line with this HDC, and slip stitch to the next space. Turn your work, place your half double crochet each in each of the 9 stitches. So continue in this manner. I will continue for a few more rows and get back to you and show you how it actually looks. Okay. I've completed a few more rows of the HDCs for the strap, and this is how it looks. So it looks neat, both the right side as well as the wrong side. The wrong side you don't have the thick border like thing on the sides. Otherwise we'll have it when we sew them together, right? So continue up to the ends here and then continue with the strap. When I complete this, I shall meet you again and tell you how to go about the rest of the strap. Okay. And in the previous instructions I had mentioned it as double crochet. It's not double crochet, it's all worked with a half double crochet only. The strap is entirely worked in half double crochet. By default I had mentioned it as double crochet. Okay, it is all half double. Strap is made with half double crochet. Okay, I shall meet you when I come to this particular point. So we've come to the end of the rows of the front and back. We have joined them on one side. This is how it looks. Now it's time to work the strap length and take it over to the next side. So make 9 stitch HTC row to the length required, and then join in similar manner to this side. So you need to slip stitch join your work HTC rows, joining both the ends, end it up at this particular point, end here, and fasten off. So complete and get back. So henceforth we will work only the HTC rows. Turn your work, chain 1 and turn your work. 1 HTC each in each of the HTCs, and work to the length required for your bag. You can customize it. Chain 1 and turn. This is the stitch repeat. Make as many rows as required. And once you've made enough number of rows for the length required, you can slip stitch join here, work HTC, slip stitch join here, and work in the similar fashion we worked on the other side. The same way, joining, slip stitch join, slip stitch to the next stitch, again HTC, again slip stitch to the next stitch, HTC. It's similar to the ribbing we do for our sweaters and other projects. So complete and get back. We've joined the other end of the strap and started crocheting the half double crochet rows by joining on the go method, and we have reached the last leg here. Now it's time to slip stitch join and fasten off. To slip stitch and join, turn your bag onto the wrong side. Placing the stitches in the opposite, just aligning them and joining them with a slip stitch. Continue and slip stitch till the end, fasten off and hide the yarns. Completed the strap, slip stitching and join from the wrong side, and I have turned it out. This is the right side. This is how my bag looks at the end of my work after adding 2 rows of post stitch ribbing, front post, back post. I added this purposely so that my bag gets a better shape, otherwise it was looking too wide. Okay, so I found it after attaching the straps, and hence I did it after that. We can do it even prior to fixing the strap. Okay, thank you friends for viewing this video. Hope you enjoyed the small effort of ours. If you happen to be the first time subscriber for our channel, please do subscribe, like and share our videos, and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos we upload every day. Thank you once again. Have a great day. Bye for now.